Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and you're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. And in this episode, I'm going to share how to start investing in real estate in your 20s. So if you're a young person in your 20s, maybe you're living at home, maybe you're going to the university, you're in college, and you are attracted to real estate. 90% of millionaires are created through real estate. You've heard that term somewhere and it intrigues you, and being a millionaire is something you want to do. It doesn't really require a whole heck of a lot of money. What it requires is grit, education, intelligence, and a little bit of hard work, and you can become financially free. The first step I'm going to suggest to you is number one, get your credit right. If you're getting started, all you got no credibility, you got no experience, you got nothing. The only thing the lenders know about you is, and that they can judge your credibility by, is your credit. Go to your local bank or wherever you bank and ask for a secured credit card and start creating secured lines of credit. If you've made some mistakes in the past, I've recorded an episode with Eric on credit repair. He does an amazing job. Look up that episode. You'll learn from him. His information is on our meetup website, which is stroudsburgrei.com. Look in our partners and his companies there. Number two, educate yourself. Learn absolutely everything you can about real estate investing. So listen to podcasts like this. Look up seminars wherever they are. Investing for real estate beginners. Just look up everything you can. Number three is find a lender that specializes in FHA. Go to that lender and ask them, what are the criterias? What are the things that I need to do to qualify to get a loan, an FHA loan? What are the rules? What are the credit score? What's my down payment? What are the reserve requirements? And then reverse engineer. Number four, start saving money. Start thinking about that 3.5% down that they're going to ask you to put down when you buy this house. Start looking in your market. Start talking to investors, start talking to realtors, start talking to people. You're going to be going to events, and in these events, you're going to be finding and talking to other investors. And the way we investors buy is we find distressed properties, we fix them, and we renovate them, and that's how we make our equity, and that's how a lot of times we make our money. And number five is house hack. If you're in your 20s, man, I cannot tell you what a much better position I would be on today in my 40s, in my mid 40s, had I house hacked, had I learned that, had I had the discipline, had I had the ability to think about, hey, I'll sacrifice right now for a better tomorrow. I didn't even have that ability. Most young people don't. You want to start saving your money so you can house hack, right? You want to live in one apartment, rent the other three, stay there for a year, live rent free, create some cash flow, save that money. Go and do it again. There's some rules. There's some rules, regulations around FHA. Go back to your lender, get another deal, and before you know it, guys, you're financially free, and you got a ton of equity. You got a ton of money. Anyways, guys, those are my 5 tips for if you're investing in your 20s and you get started in your 20s. Guys, I really appreciate you guys listening. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate this content, drop us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps with the algorithm. Share this content with someone that you think can need it, can use it. This is the video for them. Share it with them, and this will get them right on the right path. Thank you guys for listening, for watching. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Peace out, and see you soon. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.